Have you ever wondered what it takes to successfully grow a Gamthi curry leaf plant indoors? Welcome to the fascinating world of indoor gardening, where we'll explore the art and science of nurturing the Gamthi curry leaf plant, a plant known for its rich aroma and culinary uses. As with any gardening project, the key to success lies in having the right tools and supplies. Be it the perfect soil blend that nourishes the plant's roots, the grow lights that mimic natural sunlight, or precision pruning tools that keep your plant well-groomed, each element plays a crucial role in the health and prosperity of your indoor garden. The journey of indoor gardening is full of learnings and rewards, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So get ready to delve deeper into the world of indoor horticulture. In this video, we will walk you through the top 12 things you need to grow a healthy and thriving Gamthi curry leaf plant indoors. First on our list is the soil. It's the foundation of your plant's health. The Gamthi curry leaf plant, like any other plant, needs a perfect soil blend that provides a good balance of nutrients and drainage. This plant is known for its robust growth, and for that, it requires a soil blend rich in organic matter. A mix of compost, perlite, and loamy soil is often recommended. Compost enriches the soil with essential nutrients. Perlite ensures good drainage, preventing waterlogging, and loamy soil retains just the right amount of moisture. The soil should be well aerated, allowing the roots to breathe. A slightly acidic pH between 6 and 7 is ideal for these plants. It's also crucial to refresh the soil annually to replenish the nutrients. A good soil blend can not only support the robust growth of your Gamthi curry leaf plant, but also significantly enhance its health. Remember, a good soil blend can make a huge difference in your plant's growth and health. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. You are one of the 5% who have subscribed, and I am very much grateful to you. The remaining can subscribe whenever they feel there is no real hurry. Next up is lighting. Just like outdoor plants, your indoor Gamthi curry leaf plant needs plenty of light to thrive. And that's where indoor grow lights come into play. You see, indoor grow lights are more than just bulbs. They're specially designed to mimic the full spectrum of sunlight. This means they emit light in the same range and intensity as the sun, promoting photosynthesis, the very process that fuels plant growth. Now you might be wondering, why can't I just use a regular light bulb? Well, ordinary bulbs often fall short because they don't provide the complete range of light that plants require. Indoor grow lights, on the other hand, ensure that all essential wavelengths reach your plant, helping it to grow stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. So whether you're dealing with short winter days or a room with limited natural light, indoor grow lights can be the key to your plant's success. With the right indoor grow lights, your Gamthi curry leaf plant can flourish regardless of the season. Moving on to pruning tools. Keeping your plant well-groomed is essential to its health. To ensure your Gamthi curry leaf plant grows robustly and healthily, it's crucial to invest in high-quality pruning tools. Pruning isn't merely about maintaining the aesthetic appearance of your plant. It's a vital aspect of plant care that promotes healthy growth and prevents disease. Among the myriad of tools available, pruning shears stand out as a must-have. Their sharp, precision blades allow you to make clean cuts without damaging the plant tissue, reducing the risk of disease. And remember, the cleaner the cut, the faster the healing. Other essential pruning tools include a pruning saw for thicker branches and a pair of gardening gloves to protect your hands. If you're dealing with thorny plants or potentially harmful sap, gloves are a non-negotiable. Remember, the goal of pruning is to ensure your plant thrives, not just survives. So arm yourself with the right tools and embrace the art of pruning. A well-pruned plant is a happy plant. Nutrition is key. Your Gamthi curry leaf plant needs a balanced diet to grow. Providing this balance is where slow-release fertilizers and Epsom salt come into play. Slow-release fertilizers are the superheroes of plant nutrition. They gradually release nutrients into the soil, ensuring a consistent supply for your plant. This slow and steady approach supports the plant's health and growth, allowing it to flourish. Now let's talk about Epsom salt. It's not just for a relaxing bath anymore. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, an essential nutrient for plants. Magnesium promotes the production of chlorophyll, which gives your Gamthi curry leaf plant its vibrant green foliage. Sprinkling a little Epsom salt around the base of your plant can do wonders for its overall health and vibrancy. So let's not underestimate the power of proper nutrition. It's the secret ingredient to successful indoor gardening. Remember, proper nutrition can make or break your plant's health. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. You are one of the 5% who have subscribed, and I really appreciate it. please don't forget to give a like to the video. Let's not forget about smart gardening solutions. These can automate and simplify your gardening tasks. As we delve deeper into the technological era, gardening has been lucky enough to hitch a ride. Smart gardening solutions, such as the outdoor smart plug Wi-Fi outlet timer, can be a game changer for your indoor gardening experience. This nifty gadget allows you to automate and control your garden's electronic devices, making it easier to maintain optimal conditions for your Gamthi Curry Leaf plant. You can preset watering schedules, control grow lights, and even manage temperature settings, all from the convenience of your smartphone or tablet. While we're on the topic of watering, let's talk pumps. A small submersible pump can be an efficient solution for your indoor garden watering needs. Submersible pumps ensure consistent water circulation, keeping the soil of your Gamthi Curry Leaf plant evenly moist. This prevents overwatering and underwatering, both of which can be detrimental to your plant's health. But what's a pump without a good water delivery system? That's where the garden watering tube line comes in. This specialized tube ensures even water distribution throughout your indoor garden. It's all about precision irrigation here, making sure every part of your plant's root system gets the hydration it needs, while preventing water wastage. And finally, let's not forget about the benefits of using an air layering ball. This innovative tool facilitates plant propagation and expansion, allowing you to grow more of your beloved Gamthi Curry Leaf plants. It's a simple yet effective way to multiply your indoor garden without the need for seeds or cuttings. We've also covered the best headphones for garden enjoyment, an often overlooked item that can enhance your gardening experience. Whether you're tuning into an educational podcast or simply enjoying some soothing music, a good pair of headphones can make your gardening tasks more enjoyable. And there you have it. With these 12 essentials, you're well on your way to successfully growing a Gamthi Curry Leaf plant indoors. We've covered a lot of ground today, but remember, every successful garden starts with a solid plan. We began our journey understanding the importance of selecting the right soil for our Gamthi Curry Leaf plant, which nourishes the roots for robust growth. Lighting, an essential aspect, plays a crucial role in promoting photosynthesis, making your plant thrive in any indoor setting. Precision tools like sharp pruning shears and other essential pruning tools help keep your plant well-groomed and in peak condition. We also learned about the benefits of slow-release fertilizers, providing sustained nutrition for the plant's long-term health. Smart gardening solutions like the outdoor smart plug Wi-Fi outlet timer, small submersible pump, and garden watering tube line ensure proper hydration and control over your garden's electronic devices. Lastly, we touched on the importance of a controlled environment, magnesium boost, and even the joy of gardening with your favorite tunes playing in the background. Thank you for joining us on this indoor gardening journey. Remember, the key to a successful indoor garden is patience, care, and the right tools. Once again, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. You are one of the 5% who have subscribed, and I really appreciate it.
Please give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.